Got one. Alright, I think I... There's a bass. Alright. We'll get this measured too. Oh man, he's bleeding bad. I don't know how. Oh guys, I hooked him in the eye. Alright, well I just hooked this bass in the eye. So, I'll get back to you guys when I get him off. Ooh. I hooked him in the eye. Oh, that's, oh, okay. Not exactly quite the eye, but almost in the eye. Alright, hold on. And this bass is lucky. Nice bass right here. It's pretty solid bass. As you can see, I hooked them pretty bad right there. About 8 inches around there, you know. Pretty nice fish. So we're going to get back in the water. Alright.